This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Daria Mallard. Gorgeous square 10 acres on Grassy Lane, just north of FT. White. This is one of the prettiest subdivisions in the area. Rolling pastures with huge ancient oaks. This lot is totally fenced and cross-fenced for horses. It has a large pole barn, with well, septic and 200 amp power. The pasture is gorgeous, and there's a virtual wall of giant oaks inside the back property line that offer a beautiful backdrop for your new ranch home and also shade for the pastures. Site-built and mobile homes are allowed. There is a HOA of $125 per year, just to maintain the grassy lane that runs up the hill to the end. This is one of the prettiest lots anywhere around. It is a rare jewel. For more information, review the details below.